Hello everyone! A lot of people have asked the question, how do you block servers in Left 4 Dead? Unfortunately, the Left 4 Dead matchmaker is retarded. There isn't a single ounce of IQ that went into it, which is surprising given it's a product by Valve. In this video I will give you I do want to preface this by saying it won't stop you from quote-unquote joining modded servers per se, but it will help you figure out earlier on if you should disconnect or not. Also, it'll stop you from establishing a connection to ones via a blacklist, which, knowing this game, after all the hours I've played, it's probably for the best. Because who knows what these fucking degenerates can do with your IP address, you know? So the first thing gonna wanna do is create a config file in your Left 4 Dead 2 folder. You can call it anything. I will call it banserver IP list.cfg for convenience. Next we're going to open up our AutoExec config and we're going to put this somewhere. Exec ban server IP list. Next we're gonna head in game and we're going to put the following command in the developer console. Bind backtick or grave accent key. Toggle console semicolon status. What this is gonna do is when we go into a server and we press the developer console button, it will print the name of the server. What you wanna do is you wanna check the developer console each time you join a game like this. So as you can see, this is a Valve server. It's fine. Well, it might not be fine. Again, the system is retarded and it might put you in a Valve server that is on the other side of the world. If that's the case, you just hit the quit game button or type disconnect in the console. Or you can bind a key to disconnect. So if you're like me and you have a functioning brain, you probably want to stick to Valve servers because that is the unmodded gameplay. You can typically tell it's a Valve server because it'll say outright, and it runs on Linux, etc, etc. And now we meet our first adversary, one of these goddamn Chinese servers. You join them and it's basically like an acid trip, I shit you not. Let's put in retry. Now we see the IP address is visible. Let's copy the whole thing, the public one. We're gonna put this IP into the ban server IP list.config. So we put add IP 0 and then the address. Make sure that we take out the last numbers after the colon as well as the colon itself. The game doesn't remember this when you quit it, which is why we're having to execute this in the AutoExec each time we start the game. I hope this tutorial helped you figure out when you should leave a server more quickly. Once again, it's not gonna stop the matchmaker from putting you in these modded games, but it will stop you from at least showing them your connection information. Thanks for watching. Be sure you also check out the I just lost one whole month of Left 4 Dead replays because halfway through the month I learned that OBS wasn't recording sound, so that's fun. Goodbye.